Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a designer, photographer, or just someone who loves editing photos, you've probably heard of Adobe Photoshop. It's the industry standard, but let's be honest, it's not for everyone. Whether it's the subscription model, the steep learning curve, or just the price tag, you might be looking for something different. Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing alternatives to Adobe Photoshop that are powerful, affordable, and in some cases, even free. And guess what? I'm starting with one of my personal favorites, Affinity Photo. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have Affinity Photo. This is hands down one of the best Photoshop alternatives out there, and it's a one-time purchase, no subscriptions. Affinity Photo is packed with professional-grade features like non-destructive editing, advanced layer controls, and even raw photo editing. It's perfect for photographers and designers who want a powerful tool without the monthly fees. One of the things I love about Affinity Photo is how smooth and intuitive the interface is. It's designed to feel familiar if you're coming from Photoshop, but it's also super user-friendly for beginners. And the best part? It's available for Windows, Mac, and iPad, so you can edit on the go. Now, let's talk pricing. Affinity Photo costs just $69.99 for a lifetime license. Yes, you heard that right. No recurring fees. They also offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. If you're looking for a Photoshop alternative that's powerful, affordable, and versatile, Affinity Photo is a top contender. Next up, we have GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. This one's a fan favorite, especially because it's completely free and open source. GIMP has been around for years, and it's constantly updated by a community of developers. It offers a wide range of tools for photo retouching, image composition, and even graphic design. Now, GIMP does have a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're used to Photoshop's interface. But once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly powerful. Plus, there are tons of tutorials and plugins available online to extend its functionality. Since GIMP is free, it's a great option for students, hobbyists, or anyone on a tight budget. You can download it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So, if you're looking for a free alternative to Photoshop, GIMP is definitely worth checking out. At number 3, we have Canva Pro. Now, I know what you're thinking, Canva. Really? But hear me out. Canva Pro is more than just a drag-and-drop design tool. It's actually a great option for quick edits, social media graphics, and even photo retouch. Canva Pro is perfect for content creators who need to whip up designs quickly. It's not as advanced as Photoshop, but it's incredibly user-friendly and has a ton of built-in templates, fonts, and stock photos. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can access your projects from anywhere. Canva Pro costs $12.99 per month or per year, and it's worth every penny if you're creating a lot of social media content or marketing materials. They also offer a free version, but the Pro features are where it really shines. Coming in at number 4 is Photopea. This is a browser-based photo editor that's often called the free online Photoshop. It supports PSD files, so you can open and edit Photoshop files directly in your browser. How cool is that? Photopea is perfect for quick edits, or if you don't want to download any software. It's surprisingly powerful for a web-based tool, and it's completely free to use. There's also a premium version that removes ads for just $9 per month. Whether you're on a Chromebook, a work computer, or just don't want to install anything, Photopea is a fantastic option. It's fast, reliable, and works on any device with a browser. Last but not least, we have Corel Paint Shop Pro. This is another one-time purchase alternative to Photoshop, and it's been around for decades. Paint Shop Pro offers a wide range of tools for photo editing, graphic design, and even digital painting. Paint Shop Pro is a great all-in-one solution for photographers and designers. It's not as well known as Photoshop, but it's just as capable. Plus, it's more affordable, with a one-time price of $79.99. Corel also offers a free trial so you can test it out before buying. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed alternative to Photoshop, Paint Shop Pro is definitely worth considering. So, there you have it, 5 amazing alternatives to Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're looking for a one-time purchase like Affinity Photo, a free option like GIMP, or a quick and easy tool like Canva Pro, there's something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try, or if you have any other favorites I didn't mention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.